Hey there, the team over at Verticor has sent over this little product to help take care of those stubborn odors like musty smells, pet odors, smoke odors, all of those strong odors. Let's take a closer look at it. This is a 2-for-1 because it's an ozone generator, and along with that, it can also be used as a negative ion generator. In the package, you're gonna get the generator that weighs just under 4.5 pounds. You're also gonna get the power cord, which is about 5 feet long, allowing for plenty of room to plug it in. These 2 no entry signs and the manual showing exactly how to use it and for how long to use it depending on the size of the room. Now, this little generator will handle up to a 2,500 square foot area. To use it, I placed it on a stable surface at least 2 feet from the floor and plugged it in. Then I set my time and flipped the switch to the option needed. Then I put the no entry sign on the door because this is not safe to use around humans, animals, plants, and some electronics. Once the time was up, I entered the room and opened the window to allow the room to fully ventilate. I think this is a great way to help with those strong, stubborn odors. It's great for multiple areas in your house or the car, or maybe even that foul-smelling basement or crawl space. If you're looking for a way to get those funky odors out, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.